Ayan guys, dahil kagigising lang natin, so gagawa tayo ngayon ng tutorial kung paano maglagay ng sound effect sa ating mga new YouTuber dyan. So alam ko na may nahirapan din na naghahanap ng mga sound effect. So ito na gagawin natin guys, ang sound effect na yan.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh my God! Wow!
Stop it. Get some help.
Another one.
I am the one, the way your son don't need to.
Smoke weed every day.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Do it! Just do it!
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Nice.
What?
2,000 years later. Six and a half hours later. 5 minutes later. 2 hours later.